Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a S21 Ultra and the crack, you can see it's badly cracked, and I'm going to replace the LCD and I will show you how you can replace in the few steps. It's very easy. First we need to remove the back cover. First you can do heat on the back with the heat gun or with the hair dryer. After then I did heat gun. After then your work will be easy. Put this slowly, you can see easily now going inside this blade after the heating, otherwise it will be little bit hard for you. After then you can put this plastic sheet same like this, or you can move this as well. Just slightly move, slowly, don't need a rush. When you feel little bit hard, put it again heat, give the again heat. Just here you need to little bit care as well. Yeah, you can slowly, don't quickly. If you do quickly, maybe can broke back glass. Now the back glass is separate. Now just the one type screwdriver you can use for the Samsung S21 Ultra, the Phillips screwdriver, and open all screws. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 is here. One I already opened, and 4 from the back. 1 2 3 4. Now I removed the all screws, open the all screws. Now first I will disconnect one connector here and one is here. And after then, and now I'm going to remove this back cover. And completely you can remove with this. Don't, you can open this as well, but with this is okay, that's fine. And now I need to open these screws. 1 2 3. And first disconnect the battery and power connector. I'm using the nail, you can use the straight screwdriver. And slightly. Yeah, now I need it to first, don't forget, I was forgotten as well, SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray. If you will not open, then this tiny board will be stuck there. Yeah, you can disconnect as well, but if you not disconnect, then it's okay, that's fine, it's easy work. Now I need to disconnect this connector and this as well, and now remove this and speaker with all. And disconnect from here this strip, and one is here, this both. You can remove the front camera as well, disconnect. After then little bit lift up from here, just carefully from this and slightly. Now the motherboard is separate, and I bought the LCD. It's genuine LCD. It came with the battery, that's why I'm not going to remove the battery. I will replace with this, and this is the broken one, and this is the original one. Everything is there, just the front camera I will move from there. There to here, and otherwise all is the same thing. Front camera after the first I'm going to put motherboard back, and just carefully, don't strips need to come under the board. Yeah, the motherboard is on the exactly position, little bit press from there, and now put it back. Front camera, and connect this strip, connect this, connect this power, and connect the LCD connector. Yeah, it's connected. Now I am going to put the charging port. Now put it back, connect this antenna and connect this strip. Now connect it. I listen the voice, connect it twice. Now I will put it back, these 3 screws. Now screws is done. Now I will connect the battery, and now I'm going to put it back, this covers. First put it same like this condition, and little bit press on the back, and after then little bit press. Now connect this connector. Sorry, first I need to put it back there, this one. Disconnect again and little bit put up. Now going to put slightly same like this. Back side is down and front is up. Yeah, it's done. Before this, connect these two connectors. Now it's connected. Now I am going to put it back this. Connect this connector. Yeah, this is connected. Now this is connected as well. Mostly is done. Now I'm going to put it back, all the screws, 10 screws on the top, 4 on the back, and after then let's see what happens. Yeah, now all the screws is done. First I will check the phone is turning on. Yeah, now phone is turning on. Till then I will put it the back. I will check the back is, if is the glue is little bit sticky, check on with finger, and there if is little bit sticky then is okay. I will put it back same like this as well. Otherwise I will put the new glue. Some areas I can put the new glue, just a little bit, not too much. You can feel if there is the sticky tape is removed, double tape, but this is all is fine. That's why I'm not putting too much. That's why if you need, then you can put the glue, and after then put the back cover on the right place and just press little bit from the corners. You can see now the phone is ready. What do you say about this video? Please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.